Well, hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Bloom, Group Publisher of Walls and Ceilings, and welcome to If Walls Could Talk. It's such an honor to have with me today Chris Whitmire, who is the Director of Product Marketing for National Gypsum. Chris, thank you so much for joining me.
Jill, thank you for having us. We're excited to be here at Build25, celebrating our 100th anniversary with our industry partners. And what better way to celebrate our 100th anniversary than to do so here in Charlotte, North Carolina.
That's awesome. I mean, 100 years is a big deal. Congratulations.
Think about that, 100 years. It's pretty remarkable, and you don't get to that 100-year anniversary without really great associates, both past and present, great teams, great customers, and also great products. And all those things combined with National Gypsum, I think, trying to be a positive light in the places that we live and work. I think all those things have attributed to this company standing the test of time, for sure.
Oh, 100%. I mean, people, products, you name it. I mean, absolutely, you guys embody all of that. And speaking of that, there's some key factors when it comes to longevity that I know that you guys kind of embrace. Tell us a little bit about that.
I go back to our core values. Some of those core values: customer satisfaction, being accountable, doing business with honesty and integrity, open lines of communication, work hard and have fun, and innovation. We've always tried to be leaders in the innovation space, for sure.
Oh yeah, you guys are, for sure. And speaking of being innovators, I know you guys have some new products for 2025. What
we do.
Is that?
We're excited to launch our Evolve family of products here at Build25. The Evolve family is our new sustainable line of products, and we've got 3 products within that portfolio. We have Evolve 30, Evolve X, and then we also have Evolve XP. So Evolve 30 is our 30-minute non-Type X product. We also have Evolve X, which is our X product, Type X product. And then we also have Evolve XP, which is our moisture, mold, and mildew resistant Type X product. So we're excited to get these products introduced at AWCI's Build25 this year, but we're also equally as excited to get this introduced to contractors, architects, and dealers, for sure.
Oh, 100%. Well, it's always great to hear about what the new products are. But the other thing, too, that I wanted to talk to you about were some of the new new tools for fire and sound assembly.
Yeah.
And what's that all about? Because it's, when it comes to fire, everyone wants to know. I mean, fire stopping and fire suppression has changed so much over the last decade. I mean,
absolutely.
It's exciting to hear what you guys got going on.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's our new fire and sound assembly selector. It's a new interactive tool. We've had out for a few months now, introduced in 2025, but it's got 350 of our proprietary UL designs. And it allows architects and contractors, whoever the end user is, to go in and be able to quickly, efficiently, and easily go in and identify fire-rated assemblies and then the accompanying sound assemblies or STC values with those fire-rated assemblies. So it's a new tool. We're excited to get it out, and had really great feedback within the architectural community so far.
Well, if anybody has any questions about all the great products at National Gypsum, where do they go? What's the website?
So you can go to nationalgypsum.com. If you want to go in and we have a search bar in there. You can streamline your search through that search bar.
Okay.
Or you can reach out to your local National Gypsum sales representative. They're well-versed with Evolve. They're well-versed on the fire and sound assembly selectors. So anything we can do to help, let us know.
I love it. Well, thanks for being so innovative all the time. We're excited to let everyone learn more about Evolve, as well as your new tool, the fire and sound assembly. But, and again, tell me the website.
nationalgypsum.com.
Sounds great. Well, thanks so much. And if anybody has any questions for us, it is wconline.com. And while you're there, make sure you sign up for all our free content. Make sure you sign up for all our free e-newsletters, our free e-magazine. Follow us on all our social media channels so you can stay up to date on all the great content and videos we're putting together, especially like we are today with Chris. But most importantly, stay safe and healthy. We can't wait to talk to you soon. Chris, thanks so much.
Yeah, Jill, thanks for having us. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.